What's up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I want to quickly show you how you can migrate your account from Origin to Steam, your Apex Legends account. That's the topic of today's video, so just stick around if you're interested in that. But before we start right into the topic, I would really like to mention something. You guys would certainly make my day if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe to my small little channel. It would mean the world to me, so thank you very much. But let's dive right into the topic, what they need to do first. First of all, just open any browser you want. In my case, I'm just going to open Google Chrome as it is my favorite browser. And then just type in ea.com so that you... Just to quickly going to switch the language for you guys. Perfect. And then when you're on the EA site, just click on this profile button here and click on sign in. In my case, it's just automatically signed in. Maybe we can get this to not automatically sign in. Perfect. And then when you click sign in, you need to make sure to... sorry. Hit stop here, sign into your EA account, choose here the Steam one. So just click on the Steam logo. And then you need to sign in with your Steam account that you want to migrate to. Just type in your username and password and then just click on allow. And then just select the country, select the date of birth, and then click on next. And then just choose whatever email address you want to use. Click on next. In my case, an account already exists. And then just verify your identity, so just let them send you a code to the email address you just chose. And then just, I'm just going to do that on my phone really quick. Then you can choose whether you want to remember this device and click on sign in. And then you need to just click on link accounts. And then when it says your account is linked, we are already done. Then just click on get started. And then next, the last thing you need to do is just quickly sign out of your Steam account and also sign out of your EA account, whether you're using the EA launcher or Origin. And then, just re-log in and that's it. That's how you can easily migrate your account, your Apex Legends account. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible and we will truly find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.